Let's take a look at the big problem with this Toyota transmission, Toyota Camry. See how it shakes? There you go, it's gonna get really bad right now. So, as I'm filming, I'm holding the camera on the steering wheel so you can see how it shakes. Uh, so, it's out of warranty, and I'm sure there's a lot of people with these cars out there with the same issue. I was looking for a video in YouTube of a Camry with the same issue as mine that had used Lucas fluid, but I couldn't find any. So I'm going to do it with mine. My mechanic is going to change the transmission fluid in about 2 weeks, and we're going to put a bottle or 24 ounces of Lucas in this transmission to see if it works, to see if it solves the issue. I know that it has worked in so many other cars, and I saw a lot of videos. And since this transmission is not a CVT, then you can put Lucas fluid. So hopefully that will work. But at least I can put another video out once we add the fluid, the Lucas fluid, to let you guys know how it went. So I will do that in about 2 weeks.